Jimmy Kimmel just took mean tweets to a whole new level. The celebrities had to read them live. On Monday night's episode of Jimmy Kimmel Live, Jimmy had celebs, including Kristen and Benedict Cumberbatch, walk out live to read mean tweets.
I am now convinced Jeff Bridges is a crazy and not in a cool way. Just in a disturbed, hobo shouting at sparrows and sidewalks way. It's a very interesting critique. I will take that to heart.
Kristen Bell seems like such a bitch. Her vagina is probably an Alcatraz for penis.
If you find Benedict Cumberbatch attractive, I'm guessing you'd also quite enjoy staring directly at a cat's anus. Well, someone did, and she put a ring on it.
And we'll be getting more of that. Jimmy says even more famous faces will be showing up every day to read their mean tweets too.